In front of me is Realme 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Accessibility and Convenience. Now you need to scroll again to hit one-handed mode and use this switcher to activate it. Then follow all of those instructions to use it. Swipe down from the bottom edge of the screen to enter one-handed mode. To go back, swipe up, or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!